My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Kukanos. Kukanos is a ransomware type threat that may start attacking Windows computers and related files. Kukanos ransomware encrypts the files and then adds a special extension to them. So obviously, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any source of files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation. However, it might happen that suddenly, because of certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Kukanos ransomware may be injected into the system. After the ransomware attack is successful, the ransomware starts immediately encrypting and damaging the files that people store on their systems. By the way, you may trace this Kukanos ransomware by the special process or several processes that could be running in the background. In fact, the ransomware, after encrypting the files, adds this special Kukanos extension and some other random data after the main file extension. And this is the scary message mentioning that all your files are encrypted. The ransomware then tells its victims to contact the developers using this email address for file decryption guidelines. But believe me, paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files would be restored, so you should not pay that ransom in any case. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. We suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green button. Install the program and then begin carefully researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. So the program will give you the full summary of threats during the scan, and it will give you the detailed report at the end of scanning. Initially, as I said, the application is in the trial mode. You may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. For instance, the premium version has got the anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders that will be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So right now you just need to wait until the scanning is completed. Then at the end of scan you will see the full summary of threats found during the scan. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. So you may remove each threat manually or consider upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats altogether and automatically.